Hello, this is Dr. Danish. Welcome to your science class. Today I will try to explain you the term tissue culture. Actually, in chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce, the term tissue culture has been described in a very short, in a very small size box. So after reading that text, you do not get the whole concept of tissue culture. What exactly is tissue culture? Actually, first of all, you have to know the meaning of the term tissue and culture. So one by one, I will try to explain you the meaning of tissue. Actually, in 9th class, you have already read about the tissue. What are tissues? So let me remind that concept which you have already read in the 9th book. So tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells. Okay, tissue may be group of similar or dissimilar cells, and the example of dissimilar cells are xylem and phloem. So in xylem is a kind of complex tissue. Xylem as well as phloem, both are complex tissues, and these tissue consist of 4 kind of cells, and all 4 kind of cells are different in structure and functions. So these are not similar. So here in the case of xylem and phloem, tissue is a group of dissimilar cell, and here is the example. So tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells which have common origin, which have common origin and usually perform a common function. So these are few things which are very essential when you describe the term tissue. That you will say that tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells which have common origin, okay, and usually perform a common function. So two things should be common. First is common origin. The origin of all cells should be common, like common origin, and like in xylem, all kind of 4 cells, and phloem, all kind of 4 cells should have the common origin, and these all cells perform a common function. Okay, a common function, like in xylem conduct water, and phloem conduct food. So these all 4 kind of cells in xylem as well as in phloem perform a common function. In xylem they perform a function which is known as to conduct water, and the cells of phloem conducts the food. So this is the common function. And second term is the culture. What is culture? Actually, the literally meaning of culture is to grow something. Okay, so here the whole term, the complete term is tissue culture. It means culturing. It means to grow something from tissues. To grow something from tissues. When you grow something from tissues, this process is known as tissue culture. But tissue culture is quite different from the other kind of reproduction, like the asexual reproduction, like the sexual reproduction. Now I will explain you the term plant tissue culture. Actually, tissue culture is of two types. One is plant tissue culture and second is animal tissue culture. So here in your NCERT book, they have described the plant tissue culture. So I will take the example of plant tissue culture and describe it. So plant tissue culture is growing plants from removed plant tissues. So what is plant tissue culture? Growing plants from removed plant tissues, and these plant tissues may be growing tip. Actually, in 9th class you already have read about the tissues, and you have read that there is a kind of tissue which is known as meristematic tissue, and meristematic tissue is a kind of growing tissue which occurs at the apex of the plant. It may be a shoot tip, shoot apex, or root apex. So at the apex of the shoot and root there is a kind of growing tissue which is known as meristematic tissue. So growing plant from removed plant tissue on an artificial culture media in a lab. Okay, so growing plant from removed tissue on an artificial nutrient media in a lab is known as plant tissue culture, to grow plant from tissues. Okay, so what happened in this tissue culture? Actually, here you can see I have draw a plant diagram in which you can see the root as well as the shoot. Actually, shoot is the collective word for stem and leaves. Okay, so at shoot you can see here this is the shoot tip, the growing tip, and we cut this growing tip with the help of a blade, and we place this shoot tip onto the nutrient media. So after some time the tissue or the cells of this excised plant tip will divide and form a callus. So what is callus? Callus is an unorganized, undifferentiated mass of cells. It means this tip will form a callus, a mass of cells which is not organized, and now we transfer this callus onto a new nutrient medium containing hormone. Actually, hormones play an important role in the plant differentiation. Here there is a term differentiation. So do you know what is differentiation? Actually, differentiation means to differentiate between the shoot and root. So callus is unorganized, undifferentiated, and this plantlet is differentiated. Okay, so what happens when we transfer this callus onto the new nutrient medium containing the hormones? These hormones will dictate this callus that how many cells will form the shoot and how many cells will form the roots. So this process is known as differentiation. To make difference, it means to make difference between shoot and roots. Now what happened? Now this plantlet grows onto the nutrient medium, and after some time we will transplant this plantlet into a pot, and we will place this pot inside a glass house or greenhouse, because this plantlet is until a lab plant. It is being grown, it was grown inside the lab, and this plant is not able to acclimatize, able to cope with the external environmental condition. So first of all, you will have to place this pot inside a protected some kind of protected environment, and after some time, after few days, when this plantlet will acclimatize to the external environment, and how will you know that this plant is acclimatized now? When it is acclimatized, it will grow further. Okay, so when it grows in the pot, it means it is being acclimatized to the new environment, and after few days you can place this pot into the sunlight, and by this method you can grow new plants inside the lab. So this is all about tissue culture. I hope it will be beneficial for you, and in the next video I will take some another topic. So till then.